Welcome to techystack. Today our topic is requirements or pre-request, installation or setup the UiPath. Requirements. First of all, we'll see the hardware requirements. To run the UiPath, our mission should be need minimum of 4 GB RAM and dual core processors. But my recommendation is minimum 8 GB and i i5 or i7 processors is a good to run the UiPath. And we'll see the operating systems. UiPath will work supports on Windows 7 or later the versions. It may be works on Windows Server 2008 R2 or later and Windows Server 2019. To download UiPath, navigate the link cloud.uipath.com. If you have account, you can directly log in. Else, if you don't have any account, just click on the sign up button and you can go with any work email or as of now I'm continuing with the Google account. I'm going with my account. So it will ask the country and region, these details. Just fill these details and select the state and click on the next. Cloud organization name. As of now, I'm giving techystack. You can mention anything here. Create the organization. It will take some time. Once this is done, it will land me to the home page. So it will launch like this. You can see the download UiPath Studio. This option will become either here or by the right side of this here. Just click on this download UiPath Studio. It will download. Once it's download, just go to that folder and will install the setup. Show in folders. Right click on this. Click on the open. So we can go with the quick setup and click on the I accept terms in the license and agreement. Click on the install button. Now it will UiPath installing the product. It will take minimum 15 to 20 minutes. In middle, it will ask some pop-ups. Just click on that OK. Once everything is done, so it will land to the complete UiPath setup. Just click on the launch UiPath Studio, or you can click on the start menu here and type for the UiPath. You can see here you can see the UiPath Studio, UiPath Diagnosis tool as well. Now I'm launching the UiPath Studio here. Just clicking this option. So now setup is completed.